Let's check this famous trap out of the Blackburne shilling Gambit. White plays e4, black plays e5, knight to f3, knight to c6, bishop to c4, and then we have knight to d4. This is not recommended. It's because you are violating one of the most important principles in the chess opening, that is, don't move the same piece twice during the opening. Then why black moves the knight to d4 is another question. It's because he is trying to trick you. The right way to continue the position without getting into the trap, you play knight takes d4, or you simply ignore the knight and simply castle the king side. But if you capture the pawn on e5, you are falling into the trap now. And now black can play the move queen to g5, attacking two undefended things. And if you are thinking about forking him on f7, and now again you are blundering the game, so black can simply take on g2, threatening the rook in the corner, and the rook goes to f1, and you take on e4. That is coming with a check, and you cannot block with the queen. If you play queen e2, we are going to simply capture the queen, and we are winning this position completely. Going back in this position, if he blacks with the bishop, then you deliver this stunning smothered checkmate on f3 in just 7 moves. The purpose of showing you this line is to make you aware of this line. I am not recommending you to play this particular line to win your opponent in just 7 moves or something like that. So it's just for your awareness. And if you found this reel helpful and learned something new, give this reel a like and follow me for more chess tips and traps and strategies.